Page 435, problems 9 and 10. Table and graph show the miles driven and gas used for two scooters. Which scooter uses fewer gallons of gas when 1,350 miles are driven? We are going to write the equations for these. So this change is 2, 2, 2, I missed 1, 2. This change is 150, 150, 150, and 150. So the change in y over change in x, we're going to come down here. So for 9, the slope is 2 over 150, which we divide them both by 2 and we get 1 over 75. So y equals 1 over 75x. Let's plug in some numbers. Let's just use the first one. So y2 is, actually we're going to move over here a little bit. 2 is 1 over 75 times 150 over 1. Well, we can divide these both by 75. We get 1/2. So 2 equals 2, which tells us that this is our equation for for scooter A. Let's go to scooter B. We know it's proportional. We can just look at this line right here and this line right here. Change in y, that's 1. Change in x is 90. So we know slope is 190. And since it's proportional, our equation for scooter B is y equals 1 over 90x. So which scooter uses fewer gallons when 1,350 miles are driven? Let's put it in. So let's go to scooter 1. Scooter 1, y equals 1 over 75 times 1,350 over 1. So let's divide that. 1,350 divided by 75. We get 1 here, 75 minus, and get 60, bring down the 0. And that is 8 times. 75 times 8 is 600. So for scooter A is 18. And let's go to scooter B. Y equals 1 over 90 times 1,350. And we're going to put that over 1. So we're going to do the same thing. 1,350 divided by 90. Goes into it once. 90 minus, and we get 45. Bring down the 0. And 90 times 5 is 450. So for scooter B, it's 15. So let me undo that. B is 15. So which scooter uses fewer gallons of gas when that many miles are driven? Scooter B. And here's our explanation. We did the work, so that's good enough. Are gas used in miles proportional or non-proportional for each scooter? Well, our equations, here is scooter A, and here is scooter B. Y equals slope times x. There is no B, so the gas used in miles are proportional for both.